Protect your vehicle from Mother Nature's messes all year long with our premium faux leather deep tray car floor mats. Crafted of quality faux leather, these smartly designed mats are waterproof and multi-layered to create a solid barrier between your car and anything your shoes drag inside. The deep tray design and raised ridges effectively trap messes in its tracks, offering maximum coverage and protection. The mats are semi-universal and feature preset trim lines. Just pre-measure and cut along the lines for a simple installation and custom fit. Plus, our special anti-slip texture backing keeps the mats exactly where you want them. They are lightweight yet durable, and the smooth texture allows for simple maintenance. Just clean up dirt and grime with a soapy sponge and rinse with water. The mats are waterproof, non-toxic, and odorless. Protect the value of your ride with our faux leather deep tray trimmable car floor mats.